So I think the hardest part about this problem is that they don't, I mean, like, we can't be masters of all the different types of equations for all the different types of situations, but they don't give you the details for what I sub 1 and I sub 2 are. But actually, we don't need to know it to find out how many times greater the intensity is. So what you need to do is M is the magnitude for each earthquake. So plug in 9.1 in for M sub 1. Sorry, 9.0. And then we're going to subtract that by 6.1. That equals log of I sub 1 over I sub 2. I'm just going to write I here because that's going to be the intensity we're trying to solve for. Okay, so simplifying the right side, we just have to subtract those. 9 subtracted by 6.1 gives us 2.9. And now, if this is your first time working with logarithms, a logarithm can be quickly transformed into an exponential equation. So if you have a log of base b of some number a, actually, I think that our text uses x. If you got a number in here for x, a number in here for y, and I'll talk about what the base b is in our case, then that can translate to this equation. The base that's in that subscript position is being raised to the power of y, the thing that it's equal to, so 2.9 in our case. And now that equation equals x, the argument. So with a logarithm of base 10, when you don't have anything in the subscript position here, that's a logarithm of base 10. There's no number written, so we call that the common log because it's assumed to be base 10. So b equals 10 in our example. Y is the thing that the logarithm is being set equal to, so it's 2.9. And x is the argument of the logarithm, the thing inside the parentheses. So if you use a calculator for this, 10 to the 2.9 power, get 794. It asks us to round to the nearest whole number, so we're going to say the intensity is 794 times as much. Okay? And that's because, you can't just divide these two or something fancy like that. It's because of the scale of the magnitude of an earthquake. I think it's a logarithmic scale. So it's not, just 3.5 isn't 2 times as less intense as a 7.0 magnitude earthquake. Okay?